Hi crafters, it's Hannah from HanCraftedCards.com. Welcome to my channel today. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a bow using the envelope punch board. It's really quick and simple. I'm going to give you all the measurements that you will need to make your bow. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because I do post brand new videos every week. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. I do appreciate it, and appreciate it if you share and comment and all that good stuff that you do. So let's get started. So to make a bow with the envelope punch board, all you need is 2 pieces of designer series paper. This is from the Eastern Palace designer series paper, and it's got some gorgeous gold foiling, so I thought it would make a nice bow. So this measures 6 inches by 1 inch, and they're both measured the same. So all you need to do is pop your designer series paper in and line it up with the 3-inch mark and punch. Turn it around and do the same thing on the other side and punch. Then you're going to line up the edge of the paper with the middle of your little notch in there. So it's going to look like so. So you're just taking the edge off, and the same on the other end. Then turn it around, do the same thing. And that end, just lining it up with the middle of, you can sort of go with the middle of the button really, and you'll have something that will look like that. Okay, so you need to do that once on that one, and then for the second one you line it up in the middle, line it up with the 3-inch line, like you did with the first one. Punch and flip it around and punch, and then this time to do the edge you're just going to push it straight in and center it up with your button again, but you're going in this way, and as best you can. It's not going to be perfect, and it doesn't have to be, that's fine. You're just going to take the edge off like so, so it'll look like that on the edge instead. Okie dokie, grab your tool and you're just going to curve the first piece that you did. So I'm just running it over the bone folder and it's starting to curve. Same thing on the other side. So just keep curving until you're happy with it, and then these ends are going to come together to form your bow. So you can just add a little bit of adhesive. I'm just going to put a bit of fast fuse in the middle of it, then stick those down like so, and then this gets stuck on. I do actually think, now that I'm looking at it, I should have done this shorter, shouldn't I? Because, well, it depends what you're going to be putting it on first of all. So to be putting it on, actually that looks quite nice, so I'm just going to stick it on and show you how it could be used like it is. So that's stuck on like that, and you've got long tails. Now that would look really nice on a card. So let me just see what I've got to the side of me here. So say this card and you wanted to place it like so, it would look really pretty on the card like that. So keeping the tails long, I think that looks really nice. Then obviously if you wanted the tail shorter, instead of starting with a 6-inch piece, you would start with, say, That's about 3-4 inch piece would probably do it, so the the tails are a bit shorter. So I will put all the measurements that I'm talking about in the description, so you don't need to try and remember them all. So that is how you make a bow with the envelope punch board. I hope that you found that video useful, and if you did, don't forget to share it, and I will put another tutorial over there for you to watch, and I will see you next time. Bye.